To begin, make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, chain 2. This counts as our first double crochet. Yarn over and make 11 double crochets in the magic ring. So this is the second double crochet. This is the third double crochet. This is the fourth double crochet. Continue making double crochets until you have 12. After making 12 double crochets, pull this yarn to close the magic ring. Slip stitch in the chain 2. To begin row 2, we are going to make 2 double crochets in F stitch. First chain 2. Chain 2 counts as a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same place to make them 2. Go to the next stitch. Make 2 double crochets. 1, make 2 double crochets in every stitch until the end. 2 double crochets in every stitch across until the end. Slip stitch. To finish. To begin the next round, chain 2 and the chain 2 counts as the first double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch. The next stitch, make only 1 double crochet. The next one, make 2. Two. The next one, make only 1. Repeat the pattern until the end. At the end of row 3, slip stitch, chain 2. Chain 2 counts as a double crochet. Make another double crochet to make them 2. The next stitch, make 1 double crochet. The next one, make 1 double crochet. The next one, make 2 double crochets. 1 in the same stitch. 2. The next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet. 1, go to the next. 2. Repeat the pattern. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. The next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them. Repeat the pattern until the end. At the end of round 4, slip stitch, chain 1, make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over twice, go through the same stitch, draw a loop. When you have 4 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next 8 stitches, make 1 single crochet. After making 8 single crochets, make 1/2 double crochet, make a double crochet, make a triple crochet, make a double crochet in the same stitch, make 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, and cut. Go through front loop and the corresponding stitch, front loop, beginning from here. Count 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 5, slip stitch in the next stitch. Count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 20. After chaining 20, slip stitch in the next stitch.